Good morning students. Today I will teach class 7 chapter 4 heat. As in previous lecture I had discussed about the different modes of transfer of heat. As there are three modes of transfer of heat. Number 1 conduction, number 2 convection and number 3 radiation. In previous lecture, I had discussed about conduction as well as convection. In today's lecture, I will discuss about the radiation. So, what is radiation? Radiation is transfer of heat in the form of rays as which require no medium for transfer. So here the point is noted that in radiation there is no need of medium. So what is radiation? There is transfer of heat in the form of rays where no medium is required is called radiation. As these waves or these rays are able to move in vacuum. What is vacuum? Where the no air is present. So this is called vacuum. So as we know, we get a large amount of heat from sun. Sun is the only source of these large amount of heat. As sun gives us heat in the form of radiations, as these radiations falls on any object, the part of which heat is reflected, a part is transmitted and some part is absorbed. As the sun rays falls on us in the form of radiations, the part of that heat is reflected by the body and the part of the heat is transmitted by the body and a part of it is absorbed by the body. As this object absorbs a small amount of heat which helps it the increase in the temperature of the object. As the object increases its temperature due to absorption of heat. As you see, the temperature of the body increases, our body gives heat to surroundings. In return to this, take heat in the form of radiation. There are large number of examples in day-to-day life of radiations. Firstly, you get the heat from room heater in the form of radiation. As number 2, a hot utensil keeps away from the flame. It gives heat to the surrounding. The surrounding is colder than that utensil. It gives heat to the surrounding. In this way, by giving the heat, that object decreases its temperature and become cooler. So the heat is given to that object in the form of radiation. It requires no medium at all. These are the examples in day-to-day life. As you can see the number of examples of radiations. So room heater, utensil example, even you can see that your body also give heat to the surrounding. If we give heat to the surrounding, our body become cooler, and when we get heat in the form of radiation from sun, our body become hot. So in this way, transfer of heat take place, and this is the third mode of transfer of heat. Now the next question arises, what kind of clothes we wear? As in our country there are number of seasons in which different type of weather is observed, but we can wear different types of clothes and different kinds of clothes. Here clothes are classified into two categories, that is light colored clothes and number 2 is dark colored clothes. And light colored clothes are wear in summer season. That is these type of clothes reflect heat. As in summer we need to be cooler, or we need a cooler environment because of that heat. So the light colored clothes reflect that heat. It gives heat to surrounding and become cooler. So the light colored clothes in summer help us to become cooler. On the other side, the dark colored clothes are wear in winter because So, in winter, we prefer to wear woolen clothes. Why woolen clothes are preferred to wear in winter? As we know, wool is a poor conductor of heat. When the air is trapped between our body and the woolen clothes, or the air particles are trapped inside the woolen clothes, that air is trapped in wool fiber. That air prevents the flow of heat from our body to surrounding. So, in this way, there is no flow of heat from our body to surrounding. In this way, our body becomes warm in winter by wearing woolen clothes. So it is preferred to wear woolen clothes in winter as compared to summer. In contrast to this, if we wear the woolen clothes in summer, we feel very warm on summer days. So we prefer to wear cotton clothes in summers and woolen clothes in winter, because cotton clothes allow the heat to pass from body to surrounding and make us cool. On the other hand, woolen clothes do not allow the heat to pass from our body to surrounding. In this way, we feel warm. So we can say that the woolen clothes are woolen clothes are made of wool, which is poor conductor of heat and do not allow the heat molecules, do not allow the radiation to pass from our body to surrounding. So in this chapter, we learn about temperature, heat, and the mode of transfer of heat and the kinds of clothes we wear. I will tag the workbook of chapter 4 along with this video. You can write the work in workbook and revise the chapter 4